Hello guys, welcome to CyberAwesome Academy. In this video, we will talking about how do I convert a list of containing float numbers to a string in Python. Basically, in this video, we will converting a list of float numbers into a list of string, as well as also we will convert that list of string into a complete separate string. That is, we will convert a list of float numbers into a string data type also in this video. So how can we convert it? So let's start first. Open our Sublime Text and write our Python program. So how can we do that? So first take a list L1, a list of float numbers. Basically, what are the float numbers? 1.2, 5.6, 7.8, and 9.4. So this is basically a float numbers list. Now we just convert it into a list of string. So how can we convert it? So already we know that a map function, because a map function execute a separate function for each item in an iterable in Python. So here we just write our map function. What we do, we just write function and iterable. What is our iterable? That is L1. This is a list. Basically iterable is an object in Python. So now we typecast it into a list. So this is basically a list of string. So here we just print our list L1, and before converting into a string, so this is our a list of float numbers. So just write a file name L2 str dot py. So now you can check this, and here we just save the file. And okay, yeah, just write a python command, python python command, and l2str dot py. So you can see that this is the first line is basically a list of float numbers, and the second line you can see it is basically a string of list. Now we will convert this string of list into a complete list. So just see how can we do that. So first, using a hatch command, you can comment the line. So we use a same map function. First converted all the float numbers into a string L1. After that we use a join function. What is a join function? Basically a join function in Python combine all separate string into a elements into a one string. So here we use a join function and converted the whole elements of this list of string into a one single string. And here this part you can write comma here, because the element will be separated by comma. And now this is basically your converted string of string. So this is basically a complete string of this float numbers list. So now just write, and again, so here there is a problem comes, that is this error. No, you can't write, this is a mistake now. Okay, so you can see that this is basically a converted string. Okay, so you can convert in this way list of floating numbers into a list of a string, as well as another string. Okay, or we can say that in the single data type as a string. Also there is a second method, you can convert this float list into a string list. So how can we do that? So just write in this way. So using comprehension you can convert this list into a string list. So what we do, we just write as L1 is equal to str I and 4I in what, in this list L1. So in this way you easily convert it into this string of list. So this method is also very important, and now you can run your Python program in this way. So here you can see that it's will convert it into a string of Python. So basically in these ways you can convert it your floating point numbers of list into a string of lists. Also, if you have a integer data type, you can also convert it into a string list. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe